Question number 1. Antonym of expand is A. Congest, B. Conclude, C. Convert, D. Condense. The correct answer is option D, condense. Question number 2. Antonym of artificial is A. Red, B. Solid, C. Truthful, D. Natural. The correct answer is option D, natural. Question number 3. Antonym of enormous is A. Fragile, B. Weak, C. Tiny, D. Soft. The correct answer is option C, tiny. Question number 4. Antonym of recondite is A. Hermetic, B. Manifest, C. Pedantic, D. Occult. The correct answer is option B, manifest. Question number 5. Antonym of gumption is A. Apathy, B. Nerve, C. Initiative, D. Sagacity. The correct answer is option A, apathy. Question number 6. Antonym of pique is A. Hurt, B. Irk, C. Joy, D. Huff. The correct answer is option C, joy. Question number 7. Antonym of sartorial is A. Homespun, B. Cheerful, C. Inelegant, D. Sincere. The correct answer is option A, homespun. Question number 8. Antonym of docile is A. Pliable, B. Pliant, C. Quiet, D. Unyielding. The correct answer is option D, unyielding. Question number 9. Antonym of dexterous is A. Inexpert, B. Acute, C. Active, D. Able. The correct answer is option A, inexpert. Question number 10. Antonym of curtail is A. Cramp, B. Prolong, C. Chop, D. Clip. The correct answer is option B, prolong. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.